G'day, Guy Ray, outdoor guide guy. I'm out here in the middle of the wilderness with some mates. This is Alan and Scott, and they're very interested in what we're seeing here. Now, I've seen one of these before. You'll recall that in a previous installment we ran across one of these beautiful creatures. This is the glorious red-tailed hawk. He has just done something and is now consuming some sort of prey. It's difficult to see because our camera is just a bit fuzzy, but we're going to see just how close we can get. And for the first time ever, I'm going to bring you along with me and we're going to see how close we can get to this hawk. So don't wait here. Let's use this tree for cover. Beautiful creature. Look at the glory of it. Now, a well-known fact that we've discussed before is that these things will scream in your face, and it's very rude. They also have sharp talons, which could literally tear me to shreds if I'm not careful. But here we are, we're about 10 feet from this glorious creature. Oh, it's beautiful. I can't tell what it's eating. What do you think, Scott? Alan, what do you think?
I think it looks like a velociraptor.
What a glorious creature.
Which is an infamous feature film, Jurassic Park. It's great.
Now, these creatures, they're lovely and we don't want to disturb it, so we're gonna move along on our way and just let this creature be. So say goodbye and once again, don't wait here because it will eat your face. Okay, bye.